Hello and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today I'm gonna ask you a question because I've been getting many comments and many questions about that, but now I want you to help me to decide that if I should do it or not. As you guys know, or maybe not know, I had to travel around a lot, hiding my identity, hiding from the government, and I have to say, it wasn't easy. And now, me putting out videos like this here, it is risky, but I know it's worth it. It is important. It is important for you to learn telekinesis, for the world to understand that telekinesis is not dangerous. It's a mystic. It's not spiritual. But especially, it's not dangerous. And everybody can learn it. That's important. That's why I'm also so grateful that you guys sent me your videos as proof for the world to see that telekinesis is real, it is possible, and it is has nothing to do with witchcraft. So my question for you, do you want these videos I'm making for you? Do you want to learn the basics about telekinesis, about how to meditate, how to move small objects and these things? Or do you want more general videos about my life and experiences? And do you want those videos to be short and short, or do you want them to be longer? Because I don't know how to do this YouTube thing. This is very new to me, So I just try to do my best to help you to learn telekinesis. But I also know that only works when you like those videos. So please help me out here. What do you think? Should I make longer videos and more sharing my experiences, or very short tutorials? Or maybe you just want to see more telekinesis. It's what it is. If you just want to see telekinesis without me talking, we can do that too. Either way, I practice telekinesis every single day. Maybe I can just show you how I practice. Just let me know what you want. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.